the escalating demand for optimization of land use, stratified development has now become a trend, especially in major cities. Strata titles is a separate title issued for each unit in a multi-story building or land parcel that comprises common properties managed by management corporation. Stratified development includes condominium, apartment, flat, landed strata, small office, home office or SOHO, and others. Late applications for strata title. Problems that results in late application for strata titles are developers, landowners, bankrupt, winding up, missing, death, financial problems. Building problems, such as encroaching the boundary of the lot. Land matters, conversion, subdivision, partition, unreleased charge. Consequences due to failure to obtain strata titles. Complicates the sale and purchase of strata units. Difficulties in the estate administration. Buildings are improperly managed due to absence of management corporation or MC. Affects the well-being of the society at large. Results in improper waste disposal, unmaintained elevators, poor building management. In tandem with the government's policy, that is, people first, performance now, proactive steps have been suggested to improve the delivery systems to expedite the application and issuing processes of strata title. Objectives. Strata Titles Amendment Act 2013 has introduced a new workflow concept, which is the issuance of strata titles with vacant possession or VP. How strata titles can be issued with vacant possession. Sigil Formula Unit Share, CIFUS, a certificate that is introduced to ensure all matters related to land, building, appointment of surveyor, payment of survey fee, and share units are settled prior to submission of strata application. Survey fee must be settled earlier to address the problems related to winding up of the developers. Certificate of Proposed Strata Plan (CPSP) is obtained from DUPAM to ensure all technical matters such as adequate means of access, boundaries, and airspace permit are completed ahead before the application of strata titles to State Director, Lands and Mines Office (PTG). The application of strata titles is submitted after superstructure stage and CPSP is obtained. The requirement to determine the share unit allocation in the schedule of parcel before the sale of any unit in order to safeguard the interests of the buyers. Enhancement on the strata titles application stage, such as the land is held under final title. The land is not subject to any charge. The use of the land is not contrary to the land category and conditions. The approval stage, CPSP, has been issued. Issuance of strata titles with vacant possession. New workflow for issuance of strata titles with vacant possession. New elements. Application for CIFUS from PTG can be done after the building plan is approved, but not later than before the sale of any strata unit or before the CPSP application, whichever is earlier. schedule of parcel must be filed to Commissioner of Building before the sale of any strata unit. Application of CPSB to JUPAM must be submitted within 3 months from superstructure stage. Based on this new workflow, the issuance of strata titles can be done with vacant possession. Penalty. Section 8(7). When application is not made within the period specified in subsections 2 and 3, the original proprietor shall be guilty of an offence. Section 8(8) provides for a fine of not less than 10,000 ringgit but not more than 100,000 ringgit, or imprisonment not exceeding 3 years or both, and a fine of not less than 100 ringgit but not more than 1,000 ringgit for each day the offence continued. Subsidiary Management Corporation, Sub-MC. Strata Titles Amendment Act 2013 allows for the establishment of one or more subsidiary management corporation together with a management corporation for the purpose of representing the different interests of parcel proprietors by way of designating their limited common property. The objective is to meet the various needs and interests of the parcel proprietors in a mixed development with regards to common property. With the commencement of Strata Titles Amendment Act 2013, Act A1450, the rights and interests of buyers are protected while ensuring the smooth process of the development. More information, visit www.jkptg.gov.my.